New type of coronavirus has made its way to the U.S.
It hasn't hit central Illinois, but the U of I is being proactive. It's testing for the virus that's already killed at least 17 people in China and sickened hundreds of others. WCIA3's Karina Rubio's live in Urbana at McKinley Health Center. Karina, what is the school doing?
Well, Paul, the center behind me just started screening students coming in with any respiratory infection for the virus, whether or not they've traveled to areas with confirmed cases.
You know, we have a large community, we have a lot of students, we have tons of international travel.
And that's why the McKinley Health Center at the U of I is taking preventative measures to test students with any type of respiratory infection. They want to work ahead to rule out the coronavirus.
I think it's safer for the students too, as well as everybody else around them.
Cases started popping up in China last month. The first case in the U.S. was just confirmed in Washington state. It causes pneumonia but doesn't respond to antibiotics. Coronavirus can be spread through coughing and sneezing of an infected person.
How easily it spreads from person to person, that's key. So far, we know that the 17 deaths have been in older people with other illnesses.
Champaign-Urbana Public Health District Administrator Julie Pride says this is not the first coronavirus outbreak to happen recently. Other commonly known ones were MERS and SARS viruses several years ago.
Novel is the key here because there are about 7 coronaviruses that infect people, and there are some that infect animals, and there are some that infect both. But of the 7 that infect humans, this is the newest one.
And since it's new, Pride says there are still many questions to be answered. The CDC and World Health Organization is still working to figure out what exactly this new outbreak is.
It's always concerning to public health when you see any type of novel virus. Because, again, a novel virus has the potential for a pandemic because there just isn't really any immunity to it. So that's the concern.
When I spoke to Pride today, she said you don't have to be too worried right now. These are all just preventative measures to keep people healthy. And the health center says a good precaution to take is to wear a surgical mask. Live in Urbana, Karina Rubio, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Obviously, the idea, better to be safe than sorry. Karina, thanks. Screening centers are being set up in airports across the country, including O'Hare in Chicago. People traveling from areas with confirmed cases will be tested.